Stone umjovo abatwana kusele namhlanje se-Rise with Reason eSanlam Center kuseziyakhipha-ke namhlanje sizoku-competition sizoyosa hey osa washa
hey Tada sila empangeni. This one is Rise with Reason plugins for our artists amancane, young kids who are still coming up. Competition was set up by Acidmin, Luandle Entertainment, and in partnership with Sanlam Center and a few other kids who are just supporting the movement. Zowina Ivito, they'll be printed. City 100 gets free CDs printed, gets radio and yeah, ingoma zabo zongena kuma radio stations. They get also an interview on radio. So he package for up and coming artists that are here. So we got Sounds Taboo there, one of the best producers and artists here. We got High Jangalana, one of the best artists Nakona Lana Zululand. And my upcoming artists who are still all pushing. I go by the name of Young Zulu. I also got my own company, BHFE, Bullhorns Entertainment, Bullhorns Formation Entertainment. This video is shot by Bonak Entertainment. Is here now to show support for this thing. So all the videos that you're going to be seeing, pictures, this is your man that's going to be doing it. I've seen some of his work and Ziasha. So this is song we're all putting this together.
Dura lo bafowethu we-Illness Brothers sila empangeni eSanlam Center ya kuzobe kukhona ishola i-Rise with Reason phethe unkalayiza nonjalo sihlala khona la empangeni eStarling Press
akuxhase u-Acidmin bafowethu Sanlam Center plugin Rise with Reason 2
ngiyangizwa ngithi sure.
I-artist elizowina sizolenzela ama-CDs awu-100 siphinde simastarishe i-single yayo. On top of that sizozama ukuthi sinixhume ne-media ngendlela yonke esingakwazi ngayo nikwazi uthola le-exposure eniyidinga. Ngiyacela ama-artist alapha empangeni and surroundings thatheni serious, otherwise nogcina ngama-local artist kanti sizama ukuqeda lento ye-local artist uyoze ube international artist uyoze ube i-national artist ngokwenze njani kuqala kuwena ukuthi uthathe serious ngaphambi kokuthi omunye umuntu akuthathe serious. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyethemba ukuthi number 1 useready ne? Number 1 can come on stage. Sizobona mfethu wenza into yakho. Umthombo lo lapha stage. Hey, what's up? Namazi umthombo. Hey. Nambona. What's up? Nambona.
Pambana la makaza manje hlwa zobalansa ngesaka lema abafethu inkasi bafethu
straight from Jambanada, representing Ultra 5. Just sure. Thank you.